Most slings carry your gear. This one becomes part of your loadout. The Sidekeep RDX VX42 from Greenroom136 is built with a rugged VX42 shell, oversized YKK zippers, and the kind of organization that makes sense when you live out of your everyday carry. What I love most is the balance, compact enough to stay out of the way, but still carries everything I actually need throughout the day. The materials feel overbuilt with the best possible way, weather-resistant, structured, and designed to take abuse without looking tactical for the sake of being tactical. And once it's on the body, you immediately understand the comfort and the fit. It hugs close, moves naturally, and stays locked in whether you're commuting, traveling, or just running everyday errands. This is one of the bags that quietly replaces everything else in your rotation. Today we are going to look at Greenroom136 Sidekeep RDX. Let's go back to our YouTube studio to deep dive into the product.
Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So what we're looking at here is Sidekeep RDX by Greenroom136. So I've already kind of packed it out. So this is their regular edition with black X-Pac material. This is 42X X-Pac. And if you don't know about X-Pac fabric, it's a sailcloth. It is not 100% water resistant, but it will stop water to go inside your pack. So just in a nutshell, this can be used in a metro setting where you're actually out in a city, you're traveling, can be used in that scenario. It can be also used as a flight caddy. You're sitting on an airplane chair and you just need everything accessible while you don't have to reach overhead compartment. So what we have here is it comes with a strap system, and this is detachable, so you can actually take them off, and you can also replace them. Actually, Etsy has very good strap systems. You can come with this type of rotatable D-ring, which you can attach to this pack. So the beauty about this is if you don't want to use this as a sling, you can also use this as a tech pouch. So comes with a 2-inch strap, very nice. We'll talk more about this as the video goes on, but there are a couple of D-rings on the side. You can attach custom straps. Also, what you can do is you can use this as a tech pouch. So comes with a handle in the middle, has 3 pocket configuration. The main cavity here is where you store everything. It's not a clamshell opening, it's open till here, so a couple of 2 inches from the bottom. And then this 1/2 inch here is a tech compartment right there in the middle. And then we have the front pocket, which has its own capacity, which is very nice. So so these zipper pulls are custom. I got them from Etsy, so I kind of created a different set for the main pocket, different orange and black, opposite of this color in for the tech, and just a simple black one for the main compartment. So I've already packed it out. So what we're going to do is we are going to take things out of the pack so you understand what's really inside. And right now this is configured for the you're traveling. You need a sling, which you can use later on in the city, and also what you can do is you can use in as a flight caddy as well. So it is configured for sitting in a plane seat, and what things you need to be more functional. For long hauls, you need something like this, guys, I'm telling you. I have traveled all over the world, and a pack like this can really, and once you take stuff out and use in your flight, this can actually go in the back seat pocket. All right, so let's get started. So let's look at the front pocket. So in the front pocket, it's fully packed out. I have tissues, and then I have here is some alcohol wipes. You know, while you're in the plane. Lens cleaner, well, you need that if you're wearing glasses or sunglasses. Here I have a small Western pouch for my accessories, okay? And it has stuff in there like a microfiber cloth, and also have some accessories when I need. I also have AirTag in there as well, okay? So let's keep that on the side. And then I have here is Nightcore battery pack and a gaming console. So if you're getting bored in the flight, you have some retro games with you as well. So that's it for the front pocket. There's another alcohol wipe here as well. So that's it for the front pocket. So it is, I can fully packed out. I can put my hand in there and it goes all the way up. There's a key leash stitch though, stitched key leash in there as well. So, but there's a room up here as well. So once you close it out, you can kind of fill this whole area. So internal pocket has some organization. So there are two. One is a pen. I actually do have a pen in there as well. So it's a glow in the dark County Com pen. Can come handy during your travels. So if you can see here, it has two organizations. One is this. This is good for passport and a pen. And then other things, we want to keep things here as well. So now come to the tech compartment, the second one here. Greenroom use this corduroy fabric as their, usually for their tech. It is not padded, but actually corduroy on the both side really help protect the tech as well. Now I'm using this not as a tech pocket. I'm using this just to keep my passport. So I have here Peak Design passport, wallet, and some in the back here I have some cash as well. Okay, so this really nice passport wallet by Peak Design I got recently. So pretty good. I can fit my hand in there. Keep in mind there's nothing in the front pocket, but as it fills out, you only have 1/2 inch capacity here. And I'll put the spec of this. You know, it's about 4-liter capacity. They haven't published it on their website, but actually I reached out to the owner and got the capacity of this. So I think Greenroom136 has really utilized their corduroy well. All their backpacks have a laptop compartment, padded, sometimes double corduroy, and it's really good for the tech. Now they have very nice piping around this as well, which can help protect your gadgets as well. And this is good for iPad mini. I have tested it. This is good for Kindle and stuff like that. So I'm gonna close it out. Now it looks at the main compartment. Kind of opens up like that. You can see that these zippers go around till the end here, just 2 inch from the bottom, and kind of open up like this. So here I do have my iPad mini. So that's how versatile this pack is, that I can put iPad mini with the full protected case in here. Then I have 2 different type of charging cables. The one is USB because some planes still have the USB. And then I have Type C if I'm sitting in the lounge where they do have Type C charging capability. I can use the other one. Here is headset. Okay, so this is, guys, probably the best headset in the market right now, which is used for the during your plane travels, because it really compacts of this size, goes as any pack possible. And because other ones, Apple, the headset, Bose, they all require bigger space. That's what I love about it. It's from Soundcore, which is company of Anchor. If you guys have in EDC world for a long time, you're very familiar with that Anker brand from China. They make this sound quality is good, noise compression suppression is very good, and I love it, and because just how it comes in this, and then I'll show you a way how I connect this to the plane entertainment in a little bit. All right, so this is the headset. So now if you look at this, I don't have anything in this pocket. There was iPad mini in there. I don't have anything in the back pocket. I have a pouch here. We're going to take it out. We're going to look at it in a second here. So this is the cavity of main compartment and capacity. It is padded in the back and no padding underneath. There's a padding in the back. So I like the air caddies to have a little bit of padding, because if you have traveled, and you will know that the back seat pocket has very strong resistance. So when you put the packs in the back seat pocket, it kind of squish like this. So padding really helps protect whatever you leave inside or something you're not utilizing, okay? So only thing I'm missing in this pack, which I'll put something here like a couple of Band-Aids, alcohol swab, and probably some medication goes in this pouch. Other than that, here I have everything to make my flight comfortable. So let's put this on the side here. So the patch is here. This is a custom laser cut patch, my initials on it, PackWiseGear. And this is from also laser cut patch from both from Etsy. I got the United States flag and laser cut reflective PackWiseGear logo. Okay, so anyway, so this is a pouch which actually was in there. Now Greenroom136 do come with these kind of pouches, which is here, but they're a little bit big. But I got this from Lochby. This is their venture pouch, very popular, very versatile, has a Z construction, and I'll tell you guys what Z construction is, but it's really nice. So it has kind of two different compartments. Z means, you see here, Z construction. So if I look, if I open this up, so here I have my inflatable pillow. Now this is from Crossings brand. This is from Singapore, Malaysia. You can find this brand over there. But if you're looking for alternative in the United States, which is good and versatile, this has a built-in inflator system. But the one which is available in the United States is Matador, which doesn't have a built-in inflator, but it is good size, kind of same size, but you have to actually fill the air yourself. So very nice pillow. If you ever guys go to Singapore, Malaysia, go to any travel shop, they will have Crossings, get it. And this is from Grand Trunk. This is eye mask. So this is how the capacity looked inside. There are a couple of Velcro based pockets here if you want to keep stuff, but this is good enough for me to keep my two things. On the other side, it opens like this. I have this Anker travel charger, so that pretty much good to cover all over the world. It's only for 20 bucks. By the way, buying Anker from Amazon is one aspect, but what other things you can do is you can buy Anker from their website. Usually they put things on sale. So if this is 20 bucks on Amazon, you can get this about $16, $17 from Anker.com. They put things on sale. Pretty nice. So, but it's not good for laptop, guys. It's good for tablet, good for phone, but it doesn't have the capacity. So I think this is maximum, if I can read this correctly, yeah, 20 watt. So this will good for iPad and phone only, not for laptop. Then I have this MagSafe mobile stand, very handy during travels. And then this is the product I was talking about. This is Airfly. This can be used in, you can plug this in if the plane entertainment has this kind of socket or this socket, you can plug these in, and actually then this is Bluetooth, connects to your headset, sound code in my case, and then you can enjoy the headset and the plane entertainment. So this is very important for travel. Second thing I have here is a in-charge backup charging cable. Okay, so this is I got from Amazon. Very nice, neat, small, just as a backup. If these the primary ones fail, you have something on the go. So very nice pouch. It's just a multi-cam Cordura fabric. Really handy, nice to have. You can put this in your car, travel, backpack. Very nice. All right. So this was the pack. Let's come back here. So the internal lining is that they use is this is gold yellow color internal lining. Now, if you order this in their wildcard edition, you might get, or a possibility of get this pack in a gray lining as well, which is their exclusive lining. But I like this yellow. It's highly visible, and you can do a lot of things with it. So what I was saying here, like, this has a dual purpose: metro sling, air caddy, and also as a tech pouch. It can so it's very convenient. Even you don't want to use the whole thing, is kind of, you can put this in your backpack, and when you land, and then you can use this as a sling when you go around the city where you're visiting or where your travel destination is. So it's very versatile in that way. So in the front has, I already talked about, has this Velcro. You can customize this if you want to buy this in their wildcard or exclusive deals, which they usually set up on their website. Handle in the middle. I think we'll talk about the pros and cons of this, because I really want to do. Strap system, 2-inch straps comes with it. Very generous, very strong. You can also buy alternative straps with this swirl D-ring capability from Etsy as well. So let's look at the pros and cons. I think if this is a great pouch overall, the Pro, with the capability of you can change the strap system, the front pocket capacity, the pocket right in the middle, not in the back, I think kind of protects your gadget. Big cavity here in the middle. These pockets, I feel like, is useless from my perspective. One of the cons I will say is they should raise these pockets up so people can put something in them at the bottom, like a pouch in my case, and still utilize this pocket up on the top. The second con is that no back pocket. I think if they can, in the quick draw, Greenroom136, it says they have a pocket. If this can be utilized for the passport, RFID protected, that will be great. Other thing is air tag. Everybody is putting an air tag pocket somewhere, either the back or either the front, utilizing this up on the top. They should give an air tag pocket as well, and raise these pockets up, as I already talked about. And the tech pocket at the bottom, they are protecting the laptop with the with the iPad mini with the piping. This is called piping. So at the bottom, they're protecting the gadget with the piping. I will highly recommend putting like 1-inch form or false bottom underneath. So kind of increase this one inch from the bottom and add a back pocket with its own capacity. Then this will be the perfect travel sling / air caddy / tech pouch. I can tell you that this product is very unique, very versatile, and it has a potential of being an awesome product. So PackWiseGear, highly recommend buying this. And maybe you want to wait for the special edition where they give you capability to customize this based on your needs. This is way better than Alpaca Metro Sling or even Topo Design. They have a similar boxy looking tech pouch, which horrible. I saw that design. Very versatile, highly recommended by me. So keep watching PackWiseGear.